hopefully that rust reformer works right in here and here.
All right, welcome back. I think today's video we're gonna jump back on the Bronco and try to get the inside of the bed done, or get most of it done. I think I figured out how to take that. I think somebody said it was a vacuum box or something like that. That plastic tub or jug thing. I think I figured out how to take it out. We'll get as far as we can, getting the big parts, sand it down and throw a little paint over. I may come back and hand sand the angles, right angles, get all that kind of down and repaint it. But I'm gonna let my video go till Wednesday. If I got 20 likes on the previous video by Wednesday, then I'll do that. As of recording this, I got about halfway there on that video, so I got people driving down the road. So we'll look at that next week. But starting next week, we are gonna come back on the truck. I did get starter bolts. I got 2 of them. I hope people driving down the road today. And they go into about right there. So I think we're pretty good with these. Got 2 of them. I think it cost, I think, right at 30 bucks. So we'll mount that next video, get starter mounted, maybe do the series with the batteries, and we'll try to turn the engine over at least. I'm gonna pull the injectors, not pull them out, but loosen them up until it's easy for the engine to turn over. And if everything goes good, don't hear anything weird, we'll tighten the injectors back up, put the hoses back on them best I can, and put a little diesel to it and see if we can't hear it start up. With that being said, we're gonna use that sanded disc thing that I got the other day to try to take most of the rust and paint off on the inside. Anyways, let's head over there and we'll start sanding again.
All right, let me show y'all what I kind of figured out. I figured there's any way to take them loose from up here. So underneath, these go to different lines and they got clips. Most of the clips I was able to get the hose off, but some of these broke right at the joint. So I have some work to do to get those back how they were. But I push this gasket the wrong way. That's one through maybe. See, those have hoses on them. And these two are the ones that broke at the little joint. So, more than likely, probably get a new one of these. Wherever it is. But now we can try to get this, that side in here, up in here as best we can, and along this top rail, and of course, down on this side too. That's what I'm trying to get done today. I don't have much time out here, but this little thing, it went pretty quick, so let's get to grinding. Well, didn't look half bad. Got the best I could in there. There is dirt dauber's nest all the way up this. I got as much as I get out, but hopefully that rust reformer works right in here, and here, and all the way along the edges. But yep, best I could get. I can see I missed a spot way back in there that I can't get to. Let me try to stick that can in there in a minute and get that covered, but I think it looks pretty good. Took a lot more time than I thought just to get that little section done.
Well, that's all I got today. See you.